please join this Google Classroom. I think many of you are joined in this classroom and you see the study material and the book, different kind of thing is there. So if anyone is not joined, I'm requesting to all of you, please use this class code. Using this class code, you can join, or you can just use some this code. This code I will share with you the chat box. If anyone not join this group, please join, so we can discuss here each and everything, and we can share some notes, or we can share also the books, assignment, all these things in this subject. So I hope many of you are join this class. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Just wait for 2 minutes so that all of the candidates are join and we just start. So I repeat again and again, those who are not joined in this classroom, please join this classroom. And here we are just give some assignment, give the class note, give the books, each and every study material is within that. So here is the individual communication is available. So here we can communicate individually if you have any doubt or anything. So please join this. I will share again the number. These are the list link. You can just join this thing. Just wait for 2 minutes so that within 2 minutes we can start. I hope many of you join in this particular group. Now, do you have any doubt regarding this subject? Do you know what is this subject? This subject is the programming for problem solving. Do you have any doubt in your mind? You can say here, we can discuss if you have any doubt in your mind. If you have any doubt regarding this subject, so we can explain, and just wait for 2 minutes, and after that we just start today's discussion. I hope all of you familiar with the INCRP. You are giving the exam through the INCRP. Is
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the just 11:30. We just wait for just 1 minute, and after that we just start.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Akash Kumar. Akash Kumar, I think yesterday you were complete your coding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I think we have to just start. So Today we have to discuss for the basic concept of the number system. So here I will just explain with you different kind of number system and what is the job of this particular number system. Now basically, just wait for 1 minute because many students are outside. Just wait for 1 minute. They are joining. So I hope we can start. My screen is visible to all of you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. And I am audible also. So I will just start. So I will just start with the number system. So we know that we are using different kind of numbers. So this numbers is nothing but a whatever we can say number which is in our daily life. If you go for the any your mobile number, that is also number. If you go to the bank, your bank account number, there is also number. Your bank balance is also a number. So in the all over the world, there is basically work with the number. Now this number are basically few types. The very first type is called that decimal number system. So what is the decimal number system? Decimal number system is nothing but whatever we are used daily. Whatever we are used in the daily life number system, this is called the decimal number system. Now you can identify that within this decimal number system, the name is decimal. That means that it is work as a base 10. Base 10 means there is the number is in between 0 to 9. We are writing all over the any kind of number. It is within the 0 to 9. We are writing the 21. So this combination of 2 1, we just write the 34. So 34 is just combination of 3 and 4. We are writing the 365. So again, this is the combination of the 3, 6 and 5. So whatever we are written in the decimal number system, this is in between the 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Within that, we are just write any number system. I hope all of you know what is the decimal number system. You know better than me. So the next is we have to discuss for the binary number system. Now binary, in the name you can find that there is the base 2. In the decimal number system there is the base 10, and the binary number system there is the base 2. So if there is base 2, it belongs to the two character, two individual integer. So we just write here 0 and 1. We just write here 0 and 1 because we are starting from the very beginning. So there is the base 2, that means we are writing the 0 and 1. Next, whenever we have to go for the 0 1, so whatever we are writing, it is the combination of the 0 1. So we write 0 1 0 1. You can write 1 0 1 0. You can write anything, any combination of the 0 1. You can write 0 1 1 0. Any combination of the 0 and 1. Next, there is come the octal number system. Basically, this octal number system is base 8. You can find out the octal. You can go for some processor, we can say octa-core processor. So this is the oct. Octa means there is a 8 number. So 8 number means if you starting from the 0, it is goes to end with the 7. If you count that, this is 0 is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8. So base 8 means it is just lies on 0 to 7. So here whatever we are writing in which is lies on 0 to 7. In this octal system, we cannot write 7, we cannot write the 8, we cannot write the 9. If any number which is expressed with the 9, we say this is not a octal number. I hope you clear about the octal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just go for the next one, that is the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal is nothing but a base is the 16. So we just connect the base is work as a 16. So how can we write that? We just write that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after 9 you can write the 10. After 9 there is the values come 10. But when you write the 1, 0, 10, someone says this is the individual 1 and this is the individual 0. So there creates some problem. So that's why we are using the alphabet. So it is work for the A, B, C, D, E and F. E and F. So basically, if you consider for the hexadecimal number, it is represent the 16 base. So 16 base means it is represent 0 to 15. 0 to 15, within that we have just collect 0 to 9 as a number, and from 10 is represent as a, 11 is represent as a B, 12 is represent as a C, 13 is represent as a D, 14 is represent as a E, and 15 is represent as a F. So there are the different kind of number system. Now in your mind, why we have to read the binary or this octal and hexadecimal? Till now there is the decimal number is okay for in our today's world life. So why we are think for the binary? Can anyone say why we have discussed for the binary, octal and hexadecimal? Please, anyone reply? Please, anyone reply? Akash Kumar?
Sir, because binary consider the computer.
I will just come to the same question. Why the binary? If you consider for the computer system, so what is computer? In last class we have discussed computer is a machine. So machine is work with the machine level language. So any machine have the two option. Number one is on, number two is off. If you consider your machine is your electrical switch, there is the two option on and off. If you go to the any machine all over the world, this is basically work with the on and off. If you think for the individual any character, so basically this on is represent the one, and the zero is represent the off. So basically, if you consider for any kind of machine level language, basically it is depends upon the 0 1. Whenever there is a 0 1 is come, we can say this is the binary format. So this is the when there is the 0 and 1 combination, that is called the binary system. Now I will share with you one real life example. If you choose anything from my computer, that is a binary format. Suppose, can anyone say in your machine how much RAM you have? RAM size, what is the RAM size of your machine? You can find that 2 GB. So this is just nothing but a power of 2. 2 to the power 0, that is the 1. Maybe you have the 1 GB RAM. 2 to the power 1, that is the 2. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, that is the 4. 2 to the power 3, that is the 8. Basically, you found in the all in the computer system, your RAM size may be 1 GB, maybe 2 GB, maybe 4 GB, maybe 8 GB. There is nothing RAM size is in between that. Something 5 GB, 6 GB is not, is RAM is not available, because basically computer is work for 2 to the power 0. If you say go for the same thing from your hard disks, we know that 1024 KB is a 1 MB, is 1 MB, 1 MB. So if you go for that, 2 to the power 10 is the 1024. 2 to the power 10 is the 1024. Again, if you go for the any kind of processor system, if you could buy one some mobile phone or tablet, now you can find there is octa core. Octa core is 8, that is nothing but a 2 to the power 3. Quad core, quad matlab there is the 4, so there is 2 to the power 2. So if you go to anything regarding the computer science, this is represent as a 2 to the power format. If you go for your hard disk size is, we can find that 500 GB, 500 actually 512 GB our hard disks. So this is nothing but a power of 2. So here it is, we have to discuss the binary system, how it is work. I hope you understand that. Please anyone reply?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay. So next we have to discuss for the how this binary system is working. Now before we starting the any kind of math in binary system, we have to just share with you the one important thing. Remember that and trust me, whatever computer, whatever laptop, whatever your tablet, whatever your mobile phone, these all are working with the this concept of the binary system. There is just only and 1 and 0. There is the just combination of the 0 and 1. So we can run a complete computer. Now, what is happen if you think for a machine, any kind of machine, there is working for 0 and 1. Suppose we are taking one example of the machine of the, suppose two-wheeler car. If you have the two-wheeler car, there this is also machine. So machine have the two option 0 and 1. 0 means the off, 1 means the on. Now suppose anyone start your motorcycle or the two-wheeler, now 0 is starting 1, that means the 80 kilometer per hour. 0 means 0 kilometer per hour, because engine is off and on. Can we run this machine? Can we run this particular car in the road? Yes, it is possible or
No,
not?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir. So that's why we are going to the intermediate part. We just use the combination of the 0 and 1. We choose the 0 0 combination of this one, 0 1, sorry 0 1, the again combination of this one, 1 0 combination again 1 1. We can say 1 1 is the high speed, 0 0 is the stop, 0 1 is the medium, 1 0 is the little bit higher than the 0 1. So we can use the different kind of gear, different kind of class system. So we can find out that our car will be divided in some part. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If you want to run slowly, you have to go for the 0 1. If you want to run little bit high, you can go for 1 0. If you go for the full speed, that is go for the 1 1. The same thing is done as your electrical regulator is working in your home appliance. You can remember that if you have one fan, there is one regulator is there. So this is just working. So there is the switch 0 and 1 option, the fan is on and off. Now for the intermediate part, which is done by the regulator, this is basically for the 0 1 1 0, or we can divide according to the any combination. Later on we have to discuss this combination. I hope you understand why we are using the combination of the 0 1. Please reply,
Yes, sir.
or can I repeat?
Sir, I have seen a LED TV which is sir MediaTek processor with 2.25 GB RAM. Sir, how is it possible?
Basically, if you consider for the 2.25 GB RAM, basically this is the 2 GB RAM. If you check that and which part is used actually, this is the marketing strategy. Someone gives some something extra information. Not they are telling about the 3 GB. They are talking about the 2.2 GB. So there is something intermediate part. So we can say if you check that which part is actually working for your particular this machine, this is basically the 2 GB, not greater than 2 GB. Basically,
Okay,
this is
sir.
the marketing strategy.
And sir, in mobile phones, 3 GB RAM.
Yes, they are individually, they are include that individual 1 GB and 2 GB. That's why we are getting the 3 GB.
Okay, sir.
You cannot get you cannot buy a single 3 GB RAM. It is not available in the market. You can go anywhere. You can search in the online portal, e-commerce site. You cannot find one 3 GB RAM. You can find the 2 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM. Just it is 2 to the power or 16 GB RAM. You
Yes,
cannot
sir.
find the 10 GB RAM. You cannot find. So can we move on? Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we have to discuss the binary to octal number format, how to convert any number to the binary to octal. So octal means, we are saying that octal means there is the number 8. 8 means 2 to the power 3 is the 8. I think all of you know that 2 to the power 3 is the 8. So if there is the 2 to the power 3, that means we are
Yes,
required
sir.
3 bit in the binary system. So we are using A, B and C. Basically these are the 3 bit. So why this is 3 bit? Because octal is the 8. 8 is represented as 2 to the power 3. So if there is the 2 to the power 3 value is available, we are just write the A, B, C. So I hope you understand. I will just take you one example. If there is the 16 or a hexadecimal, that means 16 is the 2 to the power
4.
4. So how many bit is there for the binary to hexadecimal? 4 bit. So I hope you know that. So I
4
will
bits.
just start with that binary to octal. How this binary to octal conversion is done. We are just give the information is the very first. We just you see that previously at the very first option is 000. That is the stop position. Again, the octal value is 0. Next is the 001. We just start the very initial position. The result is 1. Next is the 010. This the octal value is the 2. Next is the 011. The octal value is 3. Next is the 100. The octal value is 4. Next is the 101. The octal value is 5. Next is the 110. The octal value is 6. Next is the 111. You can see this is the 111 means the high speed or the very full. So this is the highest value in the octal. This is the 7. So octal value is lies on 0 to 7. So any number 0 to 7, we can say this is the octal. So how can we remember this particular truth table? I think if anyone first see this particular truth table, you cannot identify how can I write this thing. So you can remember and the different way. The very first way, we have to first positive the very right side of the part, next for the left side, again left right, again for the right side. And the another way, there is a tricky way. You can see that in this particular part, I will just change the color. In this particular part, there is the 10 and 11. You can see here. There is the combination is 101, and here it is 0011. There is the 0011, again 0011. There is the 000 and 111. Sorry, 40 and the 41. 4041. Now how it has happened? Basically this is the 2 to the power 0. That means there is the 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 1011. This is the 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power any number to the power 1 is the same number. So 2 to the power 1 is the 2. So we can write that 2021. 2021. Again, this is the 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is the 4. 2 to the power 2 is, if this 2 to the power 2 is 4, we can write the 4 0 and the 4 1. So I hope you understand how can we write the table with you. Yes or no? Please anybody reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to remember for how to write a table. Now there is traditional way, you have to write the row wise, you have to write the 0 0 0 0 0 1. But if you think for the any exam paper, they are asking for the writing table. Now in which way you are writing, you only know. After the writing, no one can identify in which way you have write. So you can write the traditional way, that is the 0 0 0, this value is 0. Again 0 0 1, this value is 1. Again 0 1 0, this value is 2, and just carry on this thing. Now if anyone asks you if there is the octal value of the 365, can anyone say what is the result on the binary? Here we are taking that octal is the 365, so first is the 3. Now we have to go for the 3. So we just go for the 3. This is the 3 value. Now what is the 3 value is there? 0
0 1 1.
1 1. So we are writing this 0 1 1. Next for the 6. Can anyone say what is the value of 6? 6
1 1
value
0.
110.
110. So we are writing the 110. Next is 5. Can anyone say what is the value of 5?
1 0 1.
101.
101. So we are writing the 101. So our result is in the at the same time 011, 110, 101 is the binary format. So this whatever the 365 value is in the octal, it is the same value for the binary is this. The same. Now you can remember one thing, whenever you can convert the value of this to octal to binary or binary to somewhere, but remember the value of this particular number, the inner strength of this particular number is same for any number system.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Khushi Sharma, yes.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay, my voice is, I think there is some network issue in your side. You please check. Uh, my voice is clear. Can anyone please reply?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, yes, clear.
Okay, okay. I will just explain it again and again. Don't worry. So here we have to go for the any number system conversion. So here we have to choose the 365 value. So we just find the what is the value of 365 in the octal to the binary. So basically this is the octal value because it is lies to 0 to 7. So 3, 6, 5 both are within 0 to 7. So what is the 3 value? We just find the in the row of the 3. What is the value of 3? This is the 0 1 1. We just put the 0 1 1. What is the value of 6? That is the 1 1 0. We just put the 1 1 0. And what is the value of 5? You can see here the 5 values represent the 1 0 1. So we just write that 1 0 1. So we will say that the binary value is 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now I will share you another example. The same thing for the yes, Subro Chakraborty.
In the previous slide, you have above that box you have written of that 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 2. Why you have written all these three things, sir?
Yes, I will come for that. If you have, you are talking about this part, this is the 2 to the power 0, this is the 2 to the power 1, and this is the 2 to the power 2.
Yes, sir.
So basically, this is for the, if you have remembered that, there is the two basically job is there. You can see here, whenever this value is given, we have to just remember the first bit. You can see here, there are the just this part. there is the 1 0 and 1 1. This because of the 2 to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is 1. So there is, you can change is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. So there is change in 1. If you see here, there is the 2 0 2 1, because 2 to the power 1 is the 2. 2 to the power 1 is the 2. 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1. Again, if you go for this thing, it is goes the 4 0 and the 4 1, because 2 to the power 2 is the 4. Now I will share you again and again. This will help you to convert this number to the binary to the decimal value. If you put the decimal value, on that time we are again and again discuss this thing. I think it will discuss later on. So I will just remove this thing and discuss how this conversion is going on in this slide. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So I will just go for the conversion slide. So this is the octal value is 1 2 3. Can anyone say what is the binary of the 1 2 3 octal?
001 010 011.
So you can say that the first value is the 1. So 1 means there is the octal. There is octal means we have to choose the 001 for the first time. So we just write that 001. Again, there is a 2 value. 2 value is represent that 010. So we just use that 010 is the for the 2. Again, for the 3 value is represent that 011. So we just write the 011 this part as an end. So we can say at the same time, if you write it without gap, it is the binary of this octal value. I hope you understand. So I will just ask to Khushi Sharma. Are you clear about that? What we are doing?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, thank you. Now we are doing just opposite of them, binary to octal. Suppose we have some binary value, we have to convert in some octal, just opposite of the previous. Previously we are working for the octal to binary. Here we have to discuss the binary to octal. Suppose they are given some number, that is the 10110010101010. So these are the nothing but a combination of the binary number. So combination of the 0 1. So I will just come here and you can see this slide is very clear. Now here, how can we convert to the octal number? So we have to choose. We know that octal is the 8. 8 means the 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means we need at least 3 bits to represent one octal. So we just choose last 3 bits as a octal value. So this is the 010. Again, second last 3 bit, that is the 101. I will just cover it the both side. Again, we have to check that 100. Again, we have to check for 101. So you can easily identify. First, we have to write that in the right side. There the counting start from the right side. We are just start the 010. So we write that 010. Again, next one is the 101. So we just use the 101. Next is the 100. This is the 100. Next is the 101. So you can identify in the 3-bit partition. There is nothing but a 3-bit partition in the complete data set. Now we are doing this 101. You can see in the table, there is the 101 is available for the 5 value. So we are writing here 5. Again, 100. 100 is nothing but it is available in the 4. So we just write this 4. Again 101. 10 means we know that this is the 5 again. So we just write the 5. Again 010. 010, that means this is the value of 2. So we just write the value of 2. So in this binary number is converted to the octal number. I hope it is clear. Please
Yes,
anyone
sir.
reply? Bapi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. I will just explain with you the another number. I hope you understand again and again. Suppose there is the number is given 1010000111011. So we are doing the same thing when we have to convert in the octal value. We just go for the last 3 bit, again for the next 3 bit, again for the next 3 bit, again for the next 3 bit. So we just put 101. So can anyone say what is the value of 101? 101 is the 5.
5.
Yes.
5.
So we just write the 5. Again, what is the value of 000?
0.
Zero.
This is the 0. So we just put the 0 is here. Next is the 011. 01,
3.
the 3. So we just write the 3. And there is the 2011. So we are write the twice 3. Just write the twice number is 3. I hope it is clear to all of you. Please, can anyone say what is the result of this number? Please try to implement this. What is the result of this number?
One six five.
1755.
So someone says the
165.
or anyone?
165.
165. I think majority is the
165.
165. Base 8.
Sir, one
Yes, please. Akash?
165.
Okay, 165. So we will just see that how it is working. We just divide this thing in the few part. So this is basically there is one trick is there. You can see that this number is nothing but a last 3 bit, that is the 101. Next 3 bit, that is the 110, and there is last 1 bit. So this is 1. So we know that if we put the any before any number, if we put the 0 value, that is value is not changed. If we put the 0 value in the beginning of a number, that not the change the value. I hope you clear about that. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोई नहीं, अगर 0 डाल दिया जाए तो वो नंबर कोई नंबर का वैल्यू कोई बदल नहीं सकता. Value is remain unchanged. So here we just write the another 20 is there to make it for the 3 bit, because if you consider as a 3 bit, we just put the another 20 value. So we just separate it from the again 3 bit, for the 3 bit again next 3 bit and the next 3 bit. So this 001 is represent the 1. So we just write the 1. Next 110 is represent the 6. So we just write the 6. And the next one is the 101. So 101 is represent as a 5. I hope it is clear and all of you done that.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Radhe Krishna.
Sir, can we extend the binary number to the 4 digit?
Binary number to the octal.
4 digit. जैसे सर ABC है तो ABCD.
Binary to I can't get you. You are talking for the hexadecimal number.
Sir, like sir, we have taken here na, sir, ABC.
Yes,
So
yes.
we can add one more column for binary like D, and we
D.
will group the.
Yes. I will just please stay as an unmute. I will just discuss with you. Please unmute yourself. Radhe Krishna, please unmute. Please stay as a unmute so we can discuss. अपना mic on करो.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that there is the octal means there is the 8 number. Now 8 means the 2 to the power 3. Do you know that 2 to the power 3 is 8 or not?
Yes, sir.
So 2 to the power 3. 3 means here we are discussed for the 3 bit. This is the first bit, this is the second bit, and this is the third bit. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Now, if this value is 4, we are going for the 4. Now, you can remember that there is nothing for the A, B, and C. You can write it as a X. Suppose X, as a Y, as a Z. Nothing is fixed A, B, C. You can write anything, X, Y, Z. So, but remember that it should be 3-bit. Why 3-bit? Because it is octal. Octal means 8. 8 means 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means this is for the 3-bit.
So we
I
can't
think
opt for 4 bits, sir.
we can't. If this is 16, if this is the hexadecimal number, if it is 16, 16 is the 2 to the power 4.
Yes, sir.
So on that time, we have to go for the 4-bit.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If this is hexadecimal, now on that time it is 0 to 15. That means the 16 value is there. 16 is 2 to the power 4. 2 को 4 time to multiply करोगे, you can get the 16. और 2 को 3 time multiply करोगे, तो you can get the 8 value. 2 multiply 2 is the 8. Or there is nothing fixed there that A or B or C. You can write any alphabet. I will explain here as a X, Y, Z. You can take the P, Q, R, anything as per your criteria.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I will just ask if anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Don't take it in your mind. You just ask me. Please, anyone have any doubt? So can we go for the further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please tell me, what is the value of the 2, 3, 4 in the octal to binary?
Sir, 0, 1.
0 1 0 0 1 1 or 1 0 0.
0, 1, 0. 3 is nothing but 0,
0
double
1 1.
and 4 is nothing but 1, 0. We just keep it at a same 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Again, same thing for the 534. I hope you understand. There is the octal number is given. Now you have to convert as a binary. Suppose, can anyone say 583? What is the of the binary?
Sir, 1 0 1 or no, sir.
No, sir. We can't say for 583.
Yes, you have to remember, if anyone give you this number in greater than 7 value in the octal case, on that time you say it is impossible to implement. It is impossible to implement because there is 8 which is greater than 7 value.
7.
Remember that. If there is also 9, you say it is a wrong question. Remember that it is a wrong question if anyone asks you. I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think today we have not enough time to discuss for the hexadecimal. So we will discuss the next class in the hexadecimal part. Okay. So we are just end with the octal to binary and binary to octal. In the next class, we have to just go for the hexadecimal part. And I will share this all the slide and each and everything with you with the in your Google sheet, and I will just explain we again and again. If anyone is not joined in this particular classroom, please join with this code, or you can join the invitation link. I will share the invitation link in the chat box, so you can see here in the chat box. Just click that and join this. I hope today's class is, you can enjoy this class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will
Yes, sir.
just
बहुत
share
ज़्यादा.
with you another thing. Just give the exam. Your exam code is 9956. You just
सर
log in.
IMCRP ऑन नहीं हो रहा है.
ऑन नहीं हो
Yes,
रहा है
sir.
IMCRP ऑन नहीं हो रहा है. जब ओपन कर रहे हो तो लॉग आउट हो जा रहा है.
किसी का भी नहीं हो रहा है सर.
I think IMCP is working. If, I
No,
will
sir,
check
it's
that.
not working.
It's not
Sir,
working.
Google Sheet वाला send कर दीजिए.
Sir, not working, sir.
Okay,
Not
okay.
working,
Just allow me just 2 minutes.